Hi, good morning everybody. Today, say hi Kyra. Would you like to say hi to the camera? No? It's okay. So today we are making Kyra's breakfast and we will be making scrambled eggs for her. So something simple to start off with. Okay, let's rub your face real quickly. Is it yummy? Oh, okay. Would you like more? Would you like more cheese? Which one? This one? Okay. Here. Here's another piece for you. Okay, Kyra, you're gonna have to help me though. So let's put this aside. Okay, look at the egg, baby. We're gonna crack it inside the bowl. Okay, ready? Look. Whoa. So there's one. We're gonna do 3 eggs. 3 eggs, okay? 2. Whoa. Oh, how's it feel? Cool? Ready? Look. 3. Yay! Okay. So next we're gonna mix it all together. You wanna help mommy do this one? You wanna try? Come here. Good job. There you go. Here, I'll help you a little bit. There you go. Here, how about you try? Would you like to try? Yeah, you're mixing it all together. Okay, can mommy mix it more for you? Good job, babes. You're doing it. Okay, is it okay if mommy tries now? So I can mix it a little bit more for you. Okay, here Kyra, and then let's pour some milk. Look. Here, look. How about you pour? Let's use 2 hands. Come here. Okay, let's use 2 hands. Can you grab it? Oh, not quite. It's okay, we can clean that up. Come here. Like this. There you go. Good job. Okay, want to mix some more, huh? Look. You want to help mama clean that up? Here, let's clean up. Clean up. Oh. Good job. Would you like to pour this inside your cheese? Okay, pour it inside. How about we do one by one? Or in the mouth it goes. Would you like to pour more inside? Okay, mommy will do it, okay? And then we will cook it. Okay, would you like to mix it a little bit more? Okay, mommy will help you, okay? Yep, there's your eggs. There you go, Kyra. Good job. Okay, let's now cook it. You're such a great helper, babes. Yay! Good job, baby. I'm gonna let you play with it for about 30 more seconds and then we're gonna cook it, okay? So 30 more seconds. Okay, and then we're gonna put it in the pot. So mommy will warm up the pan and then we'll put it in. Okay, Kyra, you have about 10 more seconds to play until I take that away. Okay, can you share mommy? Okay, let's share mommy. Okay, let's leave this. We'll put that right here. We're gonna clean this up after. Okay, now it's time to cut. Let's wash up a little bit. Okay, okay. So now the pan is getting a little bit hot. Let's spray. You want to spray? You want to hold it? Here. There you go. Would you like to play with it? Look, Kyra. Now I'm going to pour the egg that you made inside. Then we're going to let it cook. And we'll put this away. We'll put this away. And then while we wait for it, we can clean up, okay? So let's get the spray and clean this up. Okay, we'll put this away. Wipe this one first. Wipe, 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 wipe. Good job. Oh. Yeah. That one's not hot, but this one is. So be careful. Come on. Look. No. Look. So mommy's gonna spray this while we clean up, and then we put this away in the sink. Got that? So we can clean up as we cook, baby. So we don't have to do it after. It'll help us in the long run. Go, Kyra. Loud? A little loud, huh? Okay, Bugs, what's the verdict? Yummy?